My favourite change to the house, I think, has to be the downstairs area. When you come in the front door now, it's inviting and open, and light streams in from those bedrooms, where before it was not a welcoming entry, and it's just lovely now. It just was transformative. The quality is beautiful. It's really high standard. Everything feels well done, solid, timeless. Everything is quality. It's lovely. Pauline found things that I would never have even known existed. The builders took a lot of pride in how this house turned out, and it shows. I've known Pauline for a number of years through other work she's done for us, and she's somebody that I feel very comfortable with and who will listen to me and get me exactly what I want. I trust her, and that means a lot when you're spending a lot of money on something as personal as your home. We had a lot of issues throughout the building that nobody could anticipate, that were from a previous renovation that was very badly done. And Pauline was the right person to be tackling the job. She coordinated with the builders and the engineers, and we got things fixed properly. And because of Pauline, it came out really well. The budget went as well as it could under those circumstances. I would recommend Pauline in a heartbeat. Especially if you're unsure yourself in decorating matters or not connected to the building industry. You don't know all the things that are available out there. You don't know the resources available to companies like Pauline's. They can do things that you just can't do on your own, and it's worth it. It's really worth it.